Imagine a world where raw power meets futuristic elegance, where cutting-edge technology fuses with an aggressive, aerodynamic masterpiece. The 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto is more than just a hypercar, it's a glimpse into the future of high-performance engineering. With an electrified heart and a design that looks like it just escaped from a sci-fi movie, this machine is rewriting the rules of automotive excellence. Lamborghini has never been one to follow trends. It sets them. The Revuelto is a bold statement of innovation, blending Lamborghini's signature V12 roar with an advanced plug-in hybrid system. This beast is powered by a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, paired with 3 electric motors, delivering a mind-blowing 1,001 horsepower. This isn't just a step forward, it's a quantum leap, pushing the boundaries of performance while embracing sustainability. Speed is in its DNA. The Revuelto rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest Lamborghinis ever built. But this car isn't just about straight-line speed, it's about precision, agility, and an unrivaled driving experience. Thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system, active aerodynamics, and an ultra-lightweight carbon fiber monocoque, every corner becomes an adrenaline-fueled thrill. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that screams both luxury and innovation. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials, showcasing a perfect blend of Italian craftsmanship and state-of-the-art technology. A fully digital cockpit, an AI-assisted driving interface, and customizable drive modes make every ride feel like a tailored experience. It's not just a car, it's an extension of its driver. Now, let's talk about the price. Owning a piece of the future doesn't come cheap. The 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto carries a price tag of around $600,000, and with limited production, demand is already through the roof. This isn't just a car, it's a collector's dream, an investment in the ultimate driving machine. The Revuelto isn't just about performance, it represents the evolution of Lamborghini's DNA. It's a statement of power, technology, and exclusivity. So, what do you think? Does the Revuelto live up to the Lamborghini legacy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love high-performance machines and future-ready supercars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest in the automotive world.